Ben Sabiti Apolone Somerones Abala Idwe Kanyuni Edeshertosi Adokata na Sodit Akaishara Luare na Yare Kaishara Luangon Adokata na Uniet Usolete Akaishara Luangon Aitubu Adokata Kana Iwangonet.
Teso Integrated Secondary School is one of the very first private secondary schools in the country. It has been in existence since 1997. Continuing with the tradition, we have again managed to score highly compared to the previous years. Of course, the last year we had a problem with COVID, the performance wasn't so great. But this time we've resurrected, we have performed very well.
William Apalacho, Apollo Kintora Kironu, Aishisha, Are, Dos, Bobodo Raya, Tupito Napolone Somero, Nesabala, Edoto Kitosi, Eshanakina, Kaswam Keche, Keda, Amunokina.
I want to thank God for this opportunity that He has given me as a director of studies to lead a committable team, to lead a team of men and women, the staff that are committed, the staff that have the resilience, that in amidst all challenges, they can do an amazing impact. And I want to tell you, the parent that is outside there, this is a school to be. This is a place to be. We don't only come to transform minds for any other aspect, but to transform minds for a better tomorrow.
Paul Omodin, Kera Peter Ikara, Eshanakina Kalua Poto, Esishak, Odesias, Akecha Subjectana, Kesi, Apupete, Equam.
Bore Jakitonga Yalama Lolana, Nara, Potauria Comunok Notorongidueda, Pedonga, Torio Kistoma, I Penarona Jokonoi. Ana Agalombong Natakironoda, Malawala Subanara, Oka subject Nangesopo Due Somate, Jokonoi,
Jason Kiribeto Nango, Lapokero, Adokatne, Jokonoi, and Awasha. Grade 5 Shalapiola Subanoi and Idwe.
Neto se Shishakada, Angela Mere, Amodi, Naisoditika Kere, aggregate Kaisara Luni, Joseph Ochola, Lagrugesa Tobra Kanyape.
Ponga Duma aggregates, Akaisara Lukanyape, Otoma Nito Naisomata Sokaruje, so the Shalam Kitorongo Bonbe, Jokune Semerolo Noi, no Adepar Noi, do Munorongoli Pu, Abunotomo Semera, Carule Ponto Songarin.
Adumudengo Atomuna Kanyape, Yalamango Noi, Anika Mwalimu, de Yalamango Noi, Shalam Kitingeka,
Alamango Noi, Alika Malune Shanakinengo, Alamango Noi, and Waja to Semerolo, Abuniango, Abakaibe Semero, Yesuna Koye, Alomwengo, Atubanga, Joko, Sperafisanas, Tibero Semera, Abumuta,
Malanga Jacka de Keno Vera, no Semeralo, and web performance, Leja Semero Lecosudwe. Resemero legeta automation ido kidio kisemero liputos kide semero lo owaila leja ikinata automa idwa Etutub akoto meshalam kine de kenwa no koka akuku John Bosco lobo duma division 1 o semera lo kira agrugesa kesara lukanyape amamu mwalimunu egwa ikinata timame Etutub.
Kanua TV is Tolbert Edaiti, Teso Integrated Akenebe, Kongora District.